Welcome to Design Guy. Glad you're here. I'll show you how to make your images pop with a cool curled effect in Canva. Click the Create button at the top of your screen, then enter Instagram into the provided text field to proceed. Select the 3x4 Instagram post template shown here. Next, browse the available elements to find one that fits your design. This will help you customize your post and create a visually appealing layout. For Instagram posts, choose from available images or upload your own by clicking the Upload button here. Click the button. Now let's search for a photo example. Use the search bar to find images that match your criteria, then select the photo you want. To create a dynamic basketball animation, drag the basketball image onto the stage. Next, add a motion path and adjust its curve to simulate a realistic bounce effect. Open the Elements panel, then locate the sign you need by scanning through the available options in the list. Select this option, then add a background image. Choose the Background Basketball type from the available options. This sets a basketball-themed background for your project. You can use this image style to create a more engaging visual presentation or customize your workspace to match a specific theme or event. Type Image as Background in the search bar, select the option that appears, and apply it to set an image as your background instantly. You can also add effects such as Page Turn to enhance your presentation. Simply open the Effects menu, select Page Turn from the list, and apply it to your slide for a dynamic transition effect. Select this object. Attach it to the main design. Next, position it as shown. Once attached, you can place the sun image behind this element. Adjust the sun's position as needed to achieve your desired background effect for the final composition. After you receive the recommended elements, take a moment to review them to ensure they meet your needs. Check that the content matches your preferences and requirements. If you need to make any adjustments, you can edit the elements as needed before proceeding. Once you are satisfied with all the changes, navigate to the top right corner of the interface where you will find the Share button. Click the Share button to distribute or export your content, completing the process and making it accessible to others as required. Click the Download button to export your file. You can choose between PNG or PDF print formats. Select your preferred option and the download will start automatically, saving the file to your device. Now you know how to make curled images for your Instagram story in Canva. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.